Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 26 for the group assignment current trend in web service. Our team consists of 2 people, myself, Amalin Aisyah, and the second person is Arif Muaz.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I'm gonna talking about what is a microservices. So basically, microservices is an architecture style that structure an application as a collection of small autonomous services model around a business domain. Here is the characteristic of the microservices. Firstly, is independently deployable. Each of a microservice can be deployed independently of other services. So its benefit is to allow for more frequent and reliable deployment of the services. Next, microservice also focus on business capabilities. It is designed to handle a specific business function or a domain. This alignment with business domains makes the system easier to understand and to maintain. The next one is autonomous. Each of the microservices operates independently with its own database and code base. So this autonomy allows teams to work independently and reduce the dependencies, leading to faster development cycles and more flexible scalability. Besides that, microservices also interact with each other through the well-defined APIs, typically using the HTTP or REST or gRPC or messaging protocol. So with these decoupled services, it allows them to evolve independently. APIs serve as a contract that ensure a consistent communication between the services. And the last one is technology agnostic. Each of the microservices can be developed using different technologies and programming language. So this allows the teams also to choose the best tools and technologies for each specific service, leading them to the better performance and maintainability.
Okay, so for the second choice that we pick is cloud computing. So the cloud computing delivers the on-demand access to computer resource like storage, servers, database, networking, and software over the internet. So instead of managing physical infrastructure, users rent virtual resource and pay only for what they use. Okay, how will it be utilized in web service? The first one is scalability. The web service can be easily scaled up or down based on the user traffic. So during the peak hours, the cloud can provision additional resource to smooth the operation. Okay, the second one is faster development and deployment. The cloud platforms will offer pre-configured tools and service allowing developers to build and deploy the web service quicker. Okay, the third one is global reach. So the cloud data centers are geographically distributed. So it will enabling the web service to deliver content and functionality with low latency to users worldwide. Okay, the last one is cost efficiency. The business will eliminate upfront hardware costs and ongoing maintenance expenses associated with on-premise infrastructure. Okay, so the real-world example is Netflix. Netflix rely heavily on Amazon Web Service for their scaling their infrastructure based on viewer demand for specific shows and movies. The second one is to streaming high-definition content globally with minimal buffering. The third one is to develop and deploy the new features quickly and efficiently. Okay, so there are 5 benefits of cloud computing for web service. The first one is increased agility. It will respond rapidly to changing market demands and easily scale resource. The second one is enhanced reliability. The cloud providers offer high uptime and disaster recovery solution. The third one is to improve security because the cloud platform invests heavily in robust security measures to protect the user's data. The fourth one is to reduce costs. Since it a pay-as-you-go model, it will eliminate upfront hardware investment and lower the maintenance expense. Okay, the last one is global availability. It will deliver a service with low latency to users worldwide.
Okay. Let me break it down for you about AWS, which is Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service is a comprehensive suite of cloud computing service that offered by Amazon. Instead of managing your own physical server or data center, you can run a virtual server, storage, database, and variety of other IT resource and on demand on the internet. Also, this eliminates upfront costs that allows you to scale resource up or down as you need it. You only need to pay to use it. You need to pay for what you are using. Also, Amazon Web Service offers a large of maybe around 200 service spanning computer power, storage, database, networking, or mobile development, analytics, security, and machine learning and more. Okay, for the tools and technology that Amazon Web Service uses, one of this is virtualization. Creates a virtual machine, which is some of us call it VMs. They act like a physical server, but run on Amazon infrastructure. So it's like a virtual computer. Next is about storage. Amazon Web Service uses storage to provide storage option like block storage. Block storage is some example is a hard disk drive, object storage, which is for a large data set and file storage. Okay, for the database, you see Amazon Web Service offers varieties of managed database service like a relational database like SQL or NoSQL database in memory database. Okay. For networking, Amazon Web Service include a tool create virtual network that connect to your on-premise network and manage network traffic. For security, Amazon AWS provide a wide range of security feature like access control, encryption, and threat detection. About AWS applicable performance and reliability. For the applicability, AWS caters to a broad range of users from startups to large enterprise. It can be used for various purposes, includes like a web application, mobile application, or data storage and analytics. I think there's more like content delivery network, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Last, I think disaster recovery. For performance in Amazon Web Service, it offers a high performance computing resource with high scalability, allowing you to adjust resource to meet your needs. For reliability, it offers It has a global infrastructure with multiple data center that spreads all around the world. It ensures a high availability and fault tolerance, meaning your application and data are less susceptible to outage. And it offers a various feature. I think it offers a various feature that enhance reliability, include backups, disaster recovery, and redundancy. Okay, that is for Amazon Web Service. GCP, which is known as Google Cloud Platform, is a comprehensive suite of cloud computing service that offered by Google. It provides a vast array of on-demand, scalable resources that allow you to build, deploy, and manage web application. Web application, mobile backend, data storage, analytics, and machine learning project without the need to invest or maintain physical infrastructure. Also, GCP leverage the same infrastructure of that power of Google owned products like search, Gmail, and YouTube. It ensures exceptional performance, security, and reliability. Also, it offers a flexible pay-as-you-go pricing model, which making it adaptable and diverse project, and project needs and budget. Okay, for the technology and tools that GCP use for compute, use VM containers like Kubernetes engine, cloud functions, cloud run for flexibility processing power. For storage, use cloud storage, cloud SQL, cloud bigtable. It is for diverse data needs. For networking, the GCP use cloud VPN, cloud load balancing, cloud CDN for secure and efficient connection. For big data and ML, use BigQuery for analytics, cloud data prop for maybe processing text AI, is to unlock data insight. Last, I think for tool, management tool like cloud SDK, cloud console, stack driver, is for control and optimizing the applicability, performance, and reliability of GCP is which is from my perspective, the applicability of GCP is in web application and mobile backend. It builds and hosts capability of web application and APIs, which is for data and storage and analytics, stores and analyze massive dataset efficiently, and leveraging big query, and petabyte scale queries. For machine learning, build and train deploy ML model using pre-trained model custom pipeline in Vertex AI. Okay, for microservice and architecture in GCP, design and deploy loosely coupled service for improve scalability and maintainability. My bad. So you can easily maintain it. For GCP, it also has a disaster recovery that create a resilient backup and disaster recovery plans for business continuity. Also use hybrid cloud, integrate on-premise infrastructure with GCP and GCP for a hybrid cloud environment. The performance of GCP is for scalability, easily scale resource up and down to meet fluctuation demand. For the availability, design application with redundancy and fault tolerance for high uptime. But it has a low latency. Leverage geographical distribution data center for fast global reach. And the performance optimization tool for GCP utilize stack drive tool to identify and troubleshoot performance bottleneck. For the reliability of GCP prioritizes in robust infrastructure and service uptime, such as in redundant data center. Data center are distributed across multiple locations for increased resilience. And service agreement, because GCP offers SLAS for a committed to specific level of uptime and performance. The security certification is for the GCP is compiled with a wide range of industry security standards. Also automated patch and update. It automatically update its infrastructure to mitigate its vulnerability. Also, disaster recovery features. Develop robust disaster recovery plan to minimize downtime in case of unforeseen events.